When it comes to grilled fish, croaker fish is definitely a favorite. Today I'm going to show you how to grill this and then pair with some plantain or rice. First, you want to add some softened butter into a bowl and then squeeze in half a lemon. To that, I'm going to add some of our green marinade. I have this video up on the page. The link will be in the comment section. You can also simply blend up some greens and then go in with a blend of spices. I'll list everything as well in the description box. Now mix this very well to combine and set it aside. Over here I have the fish already cleaned and gutted. What I'm going to do next is, make some incisions on the fish just like this so that our seasoning can penetrate into the fish. Do this on both sides. Next, I'm going to spread the seasoning all over the fish. Try to get into the areas where we cut up and into the belly as well. Now the fish is nicely coated. I'm going to stuff the fish with some onion, some pineapple, and 1 string of rosemary. Now clip this in there with the aid of a toothpick and transfer to your baking sheet and bake on 375 until the fish is ready. This should take you around 25 to 30 minutes depending on how thick the fish is. I also, went in with some pineapple on the slit we made on the fish before transferring into the oven covered. So just before the fish gets out of the oven, I'm going to fry some plantain. You can use some yam or some potato fries to enjoy your fish. I'm going to have this with some rice and plantain, okay? So fry your plantain. Once it is golden brown, scoop it out. For the rice, you can choose to go with any rice recipe of your choice. I have a lot of them on the page. You can make some jollof or fried rice. This one is the fish fried rice. I'll also leave a link in the comment section. Now the fish is ready. I'm going to serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.